Hi there. Wondering which door option is the best for your Janssens greenhouse? I'm Trevor from Greenhouse Emporium, and today I'm here to help you make the right choice. We'll explore the pros and cons of each door style and what to consider for your greenhouse project. From door options to essential accessories, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First up, we have the classic sliding doors. Most Janssens greenhouses come standard with these. They're super easy to open, and even if your hands are full with garden tools or fresh picked vegetables, you can just slide it to the side and you're in. Depending on the size of your greenhouse, you can have a single or double sliding doors. They're smooth, convenient, and save space since they don't swing out. Aesthetically, they look almost seamless because they don't have the thicker frames that hinged doors have, allowing them to blend in beautifully with the rest of the greenhouse. Now, quick tip. If you're worried about running into the door because it blends in so well, considering adding some decorative stickers or ornaments. Many customers find this both practical and stylish. Now, however, there is a bit of a trade-off. Sliding doors cover a section of the opening when they're open, so you don't get the full width. They also don't seal perfectly. Now let's talk about the upgraded options, the hinged doors. These are a game changer. Hinged doors seal better, giving you a tighter, more secure closure as well as better insulation. Plus they fold nicely into the frame, opening outwards, giving you the full use of the door opening. One of the best features of hinged doors is the door holders. They keep the door in place, preventing them from swinging and possibly causing damage. And they come with a low threshold, making entry a breeze. Now, if you prefer the sliding doors but want the convenience of a low threshold, you can also add a low threshold kit. It's a great way to make your greenhouse more accessible. However, you will have to cut the base of the profile of the greenhouse itself. If that's a deal breaker for you, you can always add a ramp. By the way, both door styles are lockable. The sliding doors come with cam locks, and the hinged doors come with deadbolt locks. Now let's talk about stem walls. They're a great way to increase the height of your greenhouse, allowing for more trellises, dwarf trees. When you're putting your greenhouse on a stem wall, we highly recommend going with hinged doors. They fit perfectly and work beautifully without any interference. If you stick with sliding doors, make sure your stem wall isn't sticking out too much so that it can slide smoothly. For both options, a door drop-down kit is essential. It allows your door to sit at ground level, fitting a stem wall up to 36 inches. Now, the drop door kit is fantastic, but remember, since the stem wall heights vary, you'll need to get the piece of glass or polycarbonate for above the door. It isn't included with the drop door kit. Glass can be purchased locally, or we can provide the polycarbonate if you're getting a polycarbonate greenhouse. You just need to know the size to cut to fit. And don't forget about the door holders for your stem wall. It prevents the hinged doors from hitting the corner of the stem wall, and it keeps everything looking nice and pristine. Now, last but not least, we want to mention door placement. For the junior Victorian models, door placement is limited to the gable ends due to the shorter eaves. For the Royal Victorians, you have the freedom to place doors on any side. The tall eaves match the door height perfectly, giving you endless possibilities. But just keep in mind, you can't place the door right on the corner due to the wind braces. And a quick tip for sliding doors, you always need a panel next to the opening to allow the door to slide open. It's a small consideration, but critical for smooth operations. So there you have it. Whether you choose a sliding or hinged doors, Janssens Greenhouses offer fantastic options to suit your needs. If you have any questions or just need further assistance, drop a comment below, visit our website. Happy gardening, and we'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so more greenhouse tips and tricks will find their way to you. Thanks for watching.